Alright, I'll be honest, I did not expect this little tiller to perform the way it does. This is the cordless cultivator that runs on a Dewalt 20V battery, tool only, and going into it I figured it would be decent for light work. You know, loose soil, maybe some touch up on a mulch bed. I was wrong. This is aggressive. With a 450 RPM brushless motor and 48 steel tines, it doesn't just scratch the surface. It actually digs in. I ran this through some compacted soil that hasn't been touched in a while, and it broke it up way faster than I expected. For something this size, it's surprisingly powerful. You're getting about 9-inch tilling width and just over 6 inches deep, which makes it perfect for raised beds, garden rows, and tighter areas where a big gas tiller just doesn't make sense. And the fact that it runs on DeWalt batteries is a huge plus. If you're already into that ecosystem like I am, you can just grab a battery off the shelf and get to work. It also has built-in low voltage protection, so it'll shut itself off before you damage your battery, which is something I definitely appreciate. Now, one thing I really like is the handle design. It's got 4-stage telescoping handle that extends out to about 4.5 feet, so you can set it to a comfortable height. There's also adjustable secondary handle, which helps a lot with control, especially when this thing really starts digging in. And when you're done, it folds down, so it doesn't take up a ton of space in the shop or garage. The tines themselves feel solid. They are reinforced steel and they're built to take some abuse. If you get weeds or mud wrapped up in there, the head detaches so you can clean it off quickly without fighting it. And from a safety standpoint, it's got a 2-step start system. You've got to press the safety button and the trigger together so you're not accidentally firing it up. There's also a front shield that does a good job of keeping dirt and debris from getting thrown back at you. But at the end of the day, what really stands out is the performance. I never thought a compact battery-powered tiller like this would be this capable. It's not just convenient, it actually works. And for smaller garden areas, raised beds, or even just maintaining soil throughout the season, this is a serious time saver. If you're already running DeWalt batteries and you want something lightweight but surprisingly powerful, this one's definitely worth a look.